Meaning of exchangeable.
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 Exchangeable. Exchangeable refers to something that can be substituted or replaced without affecting the overall outcome or value. For example, if two items are exchangeable, it means they are interchangeable and can be used in place of each other without any noticeable difference. In mathematics, exchangeability is a property of probability distributions where the order of the variables does not affect the distribution's outcome. Overall, exchangeable suggests that something can be easily swapped or replaced, without causing any major impact on the situation at hand.